Hello, welcome back, or if this is your first time here, my name is Siobhan, and if you feel like you've seen this makeup a lot lately, it's because this is the third video that I'm recording. I figured while I have makeup on and I have a moment that I would go ahead and show you what I got in my Boxycharm this month, since I haven't really been making Boxycharm videos. So I have Boxycharm Premium. I really wanted the Life's a Drag by Manny MUA. Just because I haven't tried any of his products and I was excited to see that it was in there. In lieu of that, the Natasha Denona Blush Duo would have been really great. Spoiler, I didn't get either one of the things I wanted. And obviously I've already looked in here. So this is going to be a fairly quick video. Stop. The foam thing keeps popping up. It's annoying. So, it's the thing I'm most excited about. I'll show you that last. I got the Wander Beauty Mile High Club Mascara. I have tried this mascara before. I do like it. Just a black mascara. I got the Nude Sticks Magnetic Lip Plush Paints in Waikiki Rose. I've never tried Nude Sticks, so I am interested to try that. I do like that it's in like a tube, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. I like that it's in a tube and then has like a doe foot applicator. And then I have Stila Glitter and Glow, and this is in Rose Gold Retro. I may already have this shade. Before I swatch it, I will check and make sure, because if I do, then this will go in a giveaway. Then there's this Livido Inspired by Nature Age Away Replenishing Cream. Grapefruit seed, melissa, and avocado. So on the back it says Age Away Replenishing Cream is an intensely hydrating firming cream formulated for dry, mature skin. Enriched with avocado and melissa organic oils, significantly decrease wrinkle depth and boost hydration and firmness. Hyaluronic acid plumps skin and improves moisture retention, while summer snowflake flower. That sounds beautiful, a summer snowflake flower. And grapefruit seed extract helps smooth wrinkles. So, in terms of the ingredients, the first ingredient is water. The second ingredient is aloe leaf juice, which is fantastic. So that's great. It has shea butter. It has coconut oil, which I don't love. Avocado oil, calendula, grapefruit, perfume. It's not something I would ever purchase, because it does have a lot of like fragrance added stuff, which is annoying when you're supposed to be inspired by nature. This I'll probably end up passing along. I doubt that I will end up using it. And then there are these brushes. They came in this bag called Opulent Beauty. So it's a 3 brush set. I'm trying to hold the box up, but this one is just a flat kind of kabuki type brush. It doesn't, I don't know if it's dense enough to do a liquid foundation. Maybe I'll try it. This one is called a bullet brush. I love brushes that are shaped like this. They're nice for doing like powder under the eye. Hello. They're nice for powdering under the eye or doing contour. And then the last one is just a powder brush. It's a good size powder brush. I like giant fluffy powder brushes, but this one is okay. They do have nice like lucite handles. And then the ferrule seems to be pretty decent. They're soft. They don't seem like they have any like shedding going on or anything. I haven't used them yet, and it's possible that I won't. I might end up just washing them and then putting them in a giveaway. Washing them because I just rubbed my hands all over them. But then the thing that I was most excited about, the thing that makes this box worth it to me, even though I got this instead of the Manny MUA palette, the Pharmacy Honey Potion. So this intensely hydrating facial mask is blended with honey, propolis, and royal jelly to help revitalize and renew the look of dry skin. The balm gently warms and transforms into a nourishing cream as it's massaged into skin, leaving smooth, glowing complexion. So I'm going to put this box down. If I've never said it before, and I have said it before, I'm a sucker for packaging. I also like pharmacy. that was squeaky. I like pharmacy products. It has a wood looking lid, and then it has a little metal spatula so that you're not sticking your fingers in it, and it's magnetic. And I don't know why why are magnets so interesting? I don't understand. And I do understand that they're interesting. I just don't know why they're so interesting. I haven't actually opened this and smelled it. It doesn't really smell like much of anything. It looks like lemon curd. But I have the honey face wash that I really like. That actually really smells like honey. So I thought this was going to smell like honey too. It has ginger. It does have aroma, and then in parentheses says flavor. It's one of the very last ingredients, so I doubt that there's much in it. Interestingly, also, water is the last ingredient. Water is the first ingredient in a lot of products, so that is interesting to me. But it has echinacea, honey, propolis, royal jelly, vanilla, ginger. Pretty basic stuff. And the instructions are also interesting. It says to use the spatula to scoop mask and spread generous layer onto skin and... Oh, wow, I just made like words up that are not there. Use spatula to scoop mask and spread generous layer onto clean face. Avoid direct contact with eye and lip areas. Massage for 1 to 2 minutes while it warms and transforms into a white cream. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse off. So I will let you know how that goes. In the meantime, I'm just gonna play with the magnet. I can put other things on here. Oh, you're not magnetic. Are you magnetic? I can use it to hold my tweezers. Yeah, I'm a child. But I just figured I didn't do an unboxing last month. I don't remember. Did I do one the month before? I think the month before I did like the here's everything I've gotten in the last 3 months unboxing. I don't know. But last month was the Fenty Beauty box. While I'm doing this, I guess I can just go over what I got in my Fenty Beauty box real quick. I figured people probably weren't very interested since I think everyone just got the same thing. So I got the Moroccan Spice palette, which I haven't used any of this yet. And I've never used Fenty Beauty except for lipstick. This is the Kilowatt highlighter. So this is the gold, like gold highlighter. This is the Matchstick Shimmer Stick in Unicorn, because who doesn't need a purple highlighter? I don't usually do like cream type highlighters anyway, so this will probably go in a giveaway. And then the Invisimatte blotting papers. I mean, cute idea, but I don't have oily skin anymore, so that's not really useful for me. This is the Gloss Balm in Diamond Milk. I'm going to open that in just a second. The last thing in here is the Mademoiselle in Shoddy, which is a color that I would probably like. Yeah, it's like a brown shade. But I am going to pass this lipstick on to somebody who likes the formula of these lipsticks. I do not. I don't like the formula of the lipsticks. That's the whole story. Don't like the formula. Find them to be very smeary. I touch my face too much for them to work for me. So the Gloss Bomb. I have heard so much about Fenty Beauty gloss. So this is going to be the thing that I'm going to just go ahead and try right now. It smells good. I don't know what that smells. Like a lemon birthday cake or something. I don't want to rub this all over. My lips because I don't want to get lipstick in this fancy new gloss. Over top of a liquid lipstick, it definitely is not sticky. And it made my lips very shiny. I'll have to try it on its own. I'm not a huge gloss person, but this so far feels nice on the lips. The Fenty highlighter in Kilowatt highlighter in Trophy Wife. I don't know, do I try it? If I try it, I can't. I mean, I could pass it along to somebody, but I wouldn't feel right about like putting it in a giveaway or whatever. It's just gonna go back in this box. I'm not wearing highlighter, so I was tempted to actually put it on my face, but I would rather it go to somebody who's gonna get better use out of it, you know? All right, so that's it for my Boxycharm for both March and April, all at once. Yay! Fast video. It's probably shorter than most of my videos because I'm not demonstrating much. That's all. Okay. Hope you're having a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, and wash your hands and stay away from people.